Okay, good morning, guys. I'm going to do a quick swapping and staking from NFT to GEQ. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, so I'll click here, and then this is my wallet where I have my NFT. I have 5,198 NFT worth 6,846, and then from the last IFO I have 72. So I'm going to quickly go to my dashboard menu, and then go to where would I even go? I'll go to my swap, because it's actually good to swap now and stake. So I'm going to swap from NFT to GWQ. So how much am I going to do? Let me go to 3,000. So I'm going to swap to 3,000 NFT. The worth will be 3,252 right now. In terms of GWQ in the exchange is simply good. And then I'm going to click on swap. So click on swap, then confirm. Okay, I think it has been confirmed. So I'll quickly go back to my dashboard. Then when I check below what I have as GWQ right here, I have 33244, maybe 42. So pick this number, then I'll go back to my staking, because I actually want to stake this amount so that it can grow faster. So I'm going to go to staking, click on staking, then scroll right down to the last, which I have APR very good. And then if you check the APR of NFT, is actually low at the top. This APR NFT very low. So I'm not going to stake here. I'll go right down to this, to GWQ, and then I'm going to stake over here. So first thing first, click on enable, and then confirm. They have stake. Now I'm going to stake it. Click on stake, and then come over here, put the value I have, that's 3324 point, I think it was 42. That I'm staking 3,324.42. Then I'll click on confirm, and then check over here. Voila, this is what I have, 3,224. Okay, let's just be looking at this one right now. It's 000. We need some seconds, some minutes to start growing. So already I have an indication here, a notification bar that something good. So staking, you stake, started to make profits. Then let me go back and see if maybe anything has come up. Not yet. So I'm going to come back evening and check what I have here. So I'll believe you, this one is quite simple. You can do same, and then make sure that whenever you stake, this one shows harvest. This one shows harvest. So also